We are so proud to tell you that CBS News is launching a nationwide effort today to show the impact that the recession is having on children and to help them. We're kicking off the initiative with this mobile medical unit that you see behind me. It's from the Children's Health Fund, which is leaving shortly for Detroit, one of the nation's hardest hit areas. And Dr. Irwin Redlener is the founder of the Health Fund. Good morning, Doctor.
Good morning, Maggie. Thanks for having us here.
Thanks for being here. I know your organization has been around for decades, but this is new. Kids can't wait. Tell me about
the recession is so severe, and people have been talking about the banking crisis and the mortgage foreclosures and all that appropriately, but what has not yet been understood is the impact that this recession is having on children all across the United States. And in some places like Detroit, it is extraordinarily severe, and the impact is terrible for children.
They need medical care, and that's why you've equipped these mobile units with what? What's inside here? Let's take
Well, this
inside.
is a fully equipped pediatric clinic on wheels. It takes examining rooms, it takes the nurse's station, and everything one needs to provide health care to children in all sorts of environments. And so, since they're self-contained, we can move them, as we're doing with this one, and 4 others, actually 5 of them from our national network, we're bringing to Detroit for this weekend, for a weekend of free care for children affected by the recession in Detroit. And that's just the beginning of a national program that we're launching today.
So 5 of these units will be in Detroit this weekend. Can anybody go? Do they have to show anything when they get there?
They have to show absolutely nothing, except the parent has to say, I'm having trouble getting health care for my kids. We lost insurance, or we can't get to a doctor, and it's free, and that's it. And they'll get health care, they'll get dental care, and other services that they might need.
Do you plan to hit other cities as well?
Yes, in June we'll be rolling out in 6 other cities around the United States for similar opportunities, but we want to keep underscoring how important it is to understand and deal with the problems this recession is causing for America's children. It's almost like we're dealing with a new recession generation that we're starting to notice right now.
Unfortunately. Thank you so much. We applaud your effort.
Thanks a lot, Maggie.
Thanks for pairing with us. They're headed to Detroit. Bon voyage. Buena suerte. Good luck. Stay tuned to CBS News for continuing coverage of children of the recession. We'll be looking into issues like housing, hunger, and homelessness as they take off. Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Maggie.
And if you want more on this compelling CBS News initiative, we invite you to go to our website, earlyshow.cbsnews.com.